Hello students, I'm Prof. Priya. Today we're exploring groundbreaking research on tight approximation algorithms for two-dimensional guillotine strip packing by Arindam Khan, Aditya Lonkar, Arnab Maiti, Amatya Sharma, and Andreas Wiese.
Professor, before we dive into the algorithms, could you help us understand what the strip packing problem actually is?
Great question, Sneha. In the strip packing problem, we have a vertical half strip with fixed width W and infinite height. We need to pack axis-aligned rectangles without overlap to minimize the total height.
I see. But what does guillotine separable mean? That sounds like an important constraint.
Excellent question, Arjun. Guillotine separable means every rectangle can be obtained by recursively applying edged-edged axis-parallel cuts like a guillotine that don't intersect any packed items.
This sounds very practical. Where would we actually use guillotine strip packing in real applications?
Great thinking. This is used extensively in manufacturing for cutting glass, paper, or metal sheets, and in VLSI design for optimizing circuit layouts. The guillotine constraint matches real cutting processes.
Given that this generalizes bin packing, I'm guessing this problem is computationally hard. What's the complexity?
Exactly right. The problem is strongly NP-hard since it generalizes both bin packing and Makespan minimization. Due to a reduction from the partition problem, it's NP-hard to achieve better than 3F's minus epsilon approximation.
So if 3/2 minus epsilon is the lower bound, did Khan and his team manage to achieve a matching upper bound?
Absolutely. They achieved a matching 3/2 plus epsilon approximation in polynomial time. Even more surprising, they got a 1 plus epsilon approximation in pseudo-polynomial time.
You mentioned the pseudo-polynomial result is surprising. Why is that? How does it compare to the general strip packing problem?
Great observation. For general strip packing, it's NP-hard to get even a 5/4 minus epsilon approximation in pseudo-polynomial time. Yet for guillotine strip packing, they achieved 1 plus epsilon. The constraint actually helps.
I'm curious about the algorithmic techniques. How do you design approximation algorithms that achieve such tight bounds?
The key insight is exploiting the recursive structure of guillotine cuts. They use sophisticated dynamic programming that leverages geometric properties unique to guillotine packings.
This sounds theoretically beautiful, but how does it translate to practice? Are these algorithms actually implementable for real applications?
This research essentially settles the approximability of guillotine strip packing for both polynomial and pseudo-polynomial settings. It provides a theoretical foundation for developing practical cutting and layout optimization systems. To summarize, Khan, Lonkar, Maiti, Sharma, and Wiese achieved tight approximation algorithms for guillotine strip packing. Next, we'll explore how these theoretical advances are being translated into practical systems.